This is the unboxing of bulk slag glass. I found a source online. You can buy 3-pound bags relatively cheap. Most sites that sell slag glass require you to buy hundreds of pounds. But for 3 pounds, choice is much better. So I got some really nice specimens. First impression, a nice variety of colors, good sized chunks. On the downside, they're kind of dirty, sharp. Looks like they're going to need some processing before I can use them for anything. But nice, good sized chunks. And I think what I would have to do is break them up, hone down the sharp edges, maybe tumble them. I don't know, we'll see. I'll have further videos where I do some glass processing and see what I come up. Nice colors though. So I've gone through, I ordered 2 bags of 3 pounds each. These are some of my more favorite specimens. Again, you can see they're nice colors but very sharp edges, so I'm going to have to sand those down or something. I'm going to try to clean the glass. I got a specimen here that's pretty clean, but it's got dirt on the surface. At least I think it's on the surface. First things first, I'm going to wear some gloves, some safety glasses. If you're actually going to break the glass or do some grinding or anything, put it inside a container where the chips can collect and you're not going to have glass shards